Best commercial stainless steel electric grill. This classic stainless steel electric barbecue grill allows you to grill different sorts of food. You can grill classics like kebabs, skewers, hamburgers, fish. It's also suitable for grilling vegetables, like mushrooms, zucchinis, and asparagus. Temperature control. The temperature range is 50 to 300. The secret to every good meal is the precise amount of the heat. This stainless steel electric barbecue allows you to easily adjust the right temperature according to your needs. This electric stainless steel barbecue even has a temperature control indicator that will show you when the desired temperature is reached. There is an oil pan at the bottom of the grill, which is used to collect the dripping grease during the grilling process. 2/3 of the water needs to be added to the oil pan to reduce oily smoke and open flames. At the same time, this type of grill has different sizes and models, and can also be customized according to customer needs.